Looking to withdraw your earnings from VPropTrader? Whether you're new or experienced, knowing the withdrawal process is essential to access your funds quickly and safely. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the entire process, making it simple and hassle-free so you can claim your rewards without any confusion or delays. VPropTrader's interface provides clear options for managing your funds, including dedicated sections for depositing and withdrawing funds. The platform also has a payout section for users can submit and track withdrawal requests. These menu options make it clear that withdrawing funds is a straightforward, user-accessible feature of the system. VPropTrader charges a one-time evaluation fee rather than a monthly subscription. The fee depends on the challenge type, like the two-step challenge, and the virtual account balance you choose, which ranges from $1,000 to $200,000. Fees start at $0 for the free challenge and go up to $988 for the largest accounts. User experiences with withdrawals have been mixed. One user initially gave 1 star due to delays but later updated to 3 stars, while another expressed frustration over payout issues and warned others, despite the lower challenge costs. With the withdrawal process understood, you can confidently navigate the VPropTrader dashboard. Remember, the platform provides virtual rewards and educational incentives, not real trading profit. Simply use the withdraw funds or payout section to claim your channel earnings. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe. Stay informed and prepared.